Good afternoon, Board of Directors. My name is Jalal Habash, and thank you for the opportunity to present a new product that we believe that has the potential to revolutionize the market. Today, I am excited to introduce to you our new product called SmartPlate. Let's start with a brief introduction. SmartPlate is a high-tech plate that can track and analyze what we eat in real time. This is accomplished through the use of integrated sensors and artificial intelligence. The global market for health and wellness products is expected to grow to 818 billion by 2026, and the food tracking industry is no exception. SmartPlate is positioned to become a leader within its innovation, technology, and unparalleled capacities. The plate is designed with small sensors that detect and analyze the food placed on it. This information is sent to a SmartPlate app on our phone, which use our proprietary algorithms. Then the app provides detailed information about the food, including nutritional information, count calories, and even suggest for healthier alternatives. The SmartPlate app has this easy-to-use interface that allows users to track their meals and monitor their progress towards their desired goals. Users can set custom goals such as weight loss or muscle gain, and the app will provide personalized recommendations based on their individual needs. One of the biggest advantages of the SmartPlate is its accurate. Unlike other food tracking apps, they rely on user input or generic information. SmartPlate uses actual food data to provide accurate and precise nutritional information. Additionally, the SmartPlate is convenient and user-friendly, making it easy for everyone to track their meals and achieve their health goals. Marketing strategy. To bring SmartPlate to the market, we plan to leverage social media, advertise, and influence marketing. We will also promote discounts to early adopters and partners with health and wellness companies to increase our brand and awareness. Based on market research and projected sales, we established that SmartPlate will generate 50 million in revenue within the first year, and we will reach 200